Oh no.
You ready? Let's go.
Why are you so late on your drop, Martinez?
I'm gonna have to pickaxe him. He ran, scared of my pickaxe.
G left.
G left? Why G? Ooh, more footsteps. Shaking? Just got the luckiest headshot.
Ooh.
Yep, same person. Ooh. Southwest behind the yellow house. Yellow house. I think it's a bot.
I don't think so too.
Ooh, I'm dead. Right there. Real guy behind you, Falcon. Knocked him. There more? Or is that it?
Shaking him.
Oh, top of the roof. 28 wide. 28 wide on top of the roof. He's peeking this corner.
Hit him.
He's down at the bottom.
Nice. You got any extra shotgun ammo, Martinez?
A little bit.
Where you be at?
Where you be at?
Hey! Alright, boy. I think. Don't die.
Don't die. Oh, person in front of us. Person to the left. Getting out.
Hold on!
Behind the tree.
Throwing grenades.
There's still one more over there too.
Guys, be careful, there's another chopper.
I think it's the rest of the team coming in. I feel like I'm getting shot at. Oh, this dude's knocked. Oh. Getting shot at for sure. I think there's more than one team here. Yep, here comes the rest of them.
Take all you want and stop.
I got 2 people on me.
I'm over here, pushing the other person.
He has the drum gun, knocked him.
No. Yeah, none of them have the drum gun.
No, this guy does. He's on me. He's gonna kill me. I'm dead. It's the last one. He's behind the tree. He's got a med kit. You can do it.
That is quick on the person. If he died by a new ball.
Where's this person?
I don't know. He's white. Left. There you go. Enemy. Can't mark him.
Top of the house.
Broke shield on one. Suicide mission inbound. 2 of them. 3 of them. $50.
Ooh, Spider-Man.
Putting on minis. I killed one.
Ooh. He's above me, he's above me. Damn it.
Okay.
Careful, they got the drum gun now.
Ooh, did he just launch pad?
Yeah.
Wow. Where's your card at? Still hear footsteps.
Right below you, Martinez.
Dang it, Spider-Man. Ooh, I'm dead. Ooh, they're on the campfire. Ooh, it's the same team. The drum gun. Knocked one.
The same one that just killed me. Careful, there's a one with a purple tack behind you, Martinez. We're trying to crawl in. Not gonna make it. Bandage gun me, Martinez.
It's out. It's out. Dang.
Leave that laptop alone.
Oh no. I got a glider glitch again. I didn't make it up there.
Hey, what are those things up in the sky?
I don't know. Oh, not if it's a 10 tick though. Oh, dang.
That is a 10 tick.
Oh no. Oh no. There we go. See me fake him out with that launch pad? That wasn't serious. That was just to get him out.
It backfired on you, huh?
Do you see the victory on the screen? Backfired?
Yeah.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.